civil hospital.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejala ubalong ru chairman ka high level committee halor ka Harijan colony uba Preston Tinsong ula ong ba udang up ya ke Jingiakren bat ki Harijan Panchayat committee ban Pyndep no ki kambadang sa. Laban kedauhan ni balada ban ay ka blueprint sya ka HPC bakin yo ban ya pelir jingmut paramaki bat bakin Pyndep pat sya ka Sorkar. Habaya day bat ka kaipot na ka MEECL bat ka jing toket halor ki kambam sab ha ka jing sam yaw kaw uba Preston ula ong babalada ban betha ya ka tenat political bakan ay no ya ka kaipot halor ka MEECL bat ka jing bam sab halor kaw sya baro kinong mi khamat jong ki yeng dorbar thawan ka jala.
Has already replied. Now because the court has given some kind of direction, so because till now they have not communicated anything to the government, to the committee. Because that day I told them, you please, the moment you shut down among yourself, then you please communicate so that I can call a meeting. So in the meantime, the court also has given the direction. So we are waiting for that. We are waiting for that.
So
I don't know, but we have already given direction. Direction has been given. One is MECL, and then number two is
rice.
that rice thing.
Kaladon